Hey, it's Rebecca from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Now, whether your window coverings have become old, worn, or you just want an upgrade, you want to know what you need to consider to design the perfect window coverings for your home. In this video, we're going to talk about 4 things to consider when designing your new window coverings. Let's get started. Number 1, outline your wants, goals, and needs. Before deciding on your new window treatments, consider what you need them to accomplish. Do you want to block out more light for better sleep? Are you looking for a solution that offers more privacy? Or are you looking to add a decorative touch to your space while still allowing natural light in? Outlining your wants, goals, and needs for your project will help you to have realistic expectations for the type of window treatment you need and know how much they will cost. Number 2, considering different types of window treatments. There are several types of window treatments to choose from, including blinds, shades, drapes, and shutters. Each type of window covering has unique properties in both performance and look. Blinds are a versatile option that offers a range of materials, sizes, and colors. Shades are available in different styles such as cellular, roller, and Roman. Drapes come in many different fabrics, textures, styles, and colors, making them perfect for adding decorative touches. Shutters are a more traditional option that brings added value to your home. Within each window covering type, there are even more styles and variations for added energy efficiency, light control, and insulation. Considering first what type of window treatment you're interested in will help narrow down your options and get you one step closer to finding the right solution for you. Number 3, materials and colors. Consider the materials of the window treatments you're interested in, as well as their color and texture. The material will determine how light passes through and affects the overall atmosphere of your room. Blinds and shutters are typically made of vinyl, wood, or a composite wood material. Shades can be made with a lightweight fabric or woven wood. Each material type of window covering will provide your home with a different aesthetic. This is why it's important to consider the material to match your home. Now, in terms of color, you can go with neutral, dark, or light colors, depending on your liking and what complements your home's interior, or choose a custom color. Number 4, functionality. Lastly, you must consider how you want your new window coverings to function and operate. Some options are manual and require you to adjust the shade or blind yourself. Others, such as motorized window coverings or smart home technology, allow you to control your window treatments remotely. This means that you can adjust the window treatment with a remote control or even program them to open and close at a specific time of day. Window coverings like roller shades or automatic shades are also beneficial for safety reasons. If you have small children or pets, you will want to consider this when choosing how you want your new window coverings to function. Now that you know 4 things to consider to design the perfect window treatments for you, you're ready to take the next step. If you're interested in replacing your window coverings, one of the first things you want to know is how much your project will cost. Click the link above to head over to our Learning Center and learn how much it costs to replace your window coverings. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.